Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share the recipe of delicious egg curry. This goes well with appam, idiyappam, roti or any other Indian breads. Let's see how to prepare this curry. We have boiled in 5 eggs. Draw deep gashes on the eggs. I'm using this gadget to make this job easy. You can draw deep gashes on the eggs using a knife. Heat 1 teaspoon of sunflower oil in a kadai and add in quarter teaspoon of salt. Add in quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder and quarter teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder. Sort the masala powders and add in the boiled eggs. Shallow fry the eggs in the masala infused oil. Remove the eggs once they are fried. Fried eggs are ready now. Finally chop in 1 onion. If you have smaller size onion means you can take 2. I'm using this chopper to chop the onions. Take 2 tomatoes and chop it finely. You can chop the onions and tomatoes finely using a knife as well. You can grind tomatoes coarsely in mixer grinder as well. Heat 2 teaspoon of coconut oil in a kadai. Add in 1 teaspoon of fennel seed and curry leaf. In goes the chopped onion. Saute it until the onion turns translucent. Add in 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Add in salt as needed. The onions are cooked well. Now add in half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Saute it until the raw smell of the masala powders goes off. Add in the finely chopped tomatoes. Next I'm going to prepare a coconut masala. For that, take half a cup of coconut, 1 teaspoon of khaskhas and 6 cashew nuts. Grind it into a fine paste. Add in the coconut paste into the masala. I have added more water while grinding the coconut paste. Add in 1 cup of water. You can adjust the quantity of water as per your wish. Cover it with the lid and cook well. The curry has reduced slightly and cooked well. We are going to have this egg curry with appam. I have already shared the recipe of appam and I'll leave the recipe link in the description below. This is the egg roast and I'll share the recipe soon in our channel. Let's get back to the egg curry. Add in the fried eggs into the curry. Cook it for a couple of minutes and switch off the flame. Meanwhile, my amma is preparing appam. You can serve this egg curry and appam for breakfast or dinner. The egg curry is ready and garnish it with some coriander leaf. Do try this egg curry and share me the feedback. Subscribe my channel for more recipes. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.